Hey partner, guess where we're at? Nature. Yeah. Look how beautiful it is. I mean, just look. Really take it in. Look how beautiful it is. One more time, look at it. You can't get this anywhere else. But let's just take a moment to realize there might not be any animals in this water. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not that smart. But I mean, if there is, life's precious. Like, look how beautiful this is. Just look. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. It's too beautiful. Let's just take a look at the trees. Just look at the quality of those trees. So healthy. You know, they can really take a beating. That sounds kind of weird, but whatever. You know? This is a place where your family can really gather. And let's just say there's maybe you'll catch something, I don't know. Let's just, there may be 2 people fishing. Maybe. Let's just say if you want to fish, it's really time to fish. Now, just take a look at the sun. Just look at the sun on the horizon. Don't show the people. Okay. Just look at the sun. Look how beautiful the sun is.
I don't think it's this way.
Alright, well, the sun's a giant flaming ball.
Oh, there's the sun.
Ew, that's gross.
Excuse me?
Welcome and goodbye to Biggie Nature. I'm your host, Biggie.